Guys, I've created this spring themed video to express what spring means to me with some video montage and different title animations in the Wondershare Filmora 15. Let me show you the workflow. If you don't have Filmora, check the description below to download. First, we need the footage, and in the stock media library there is a separate section for your spring footages. So choose from these sorted videos to make your video on spring. Now I can recommend some clips that I actually used in the video. I searched for true spring scenery media, and it's a very beautiful clip with greenery, leaves and sunlight. This footage shows beautiful flowers blooming, another attribute of spring, a well with flowers blended into the nature. For the opening scene, I want to use this footage, so let me drag and drop it into the video track of the timeline. Now to convey the message of spring, I will use title templates. So in Wondershare Filmora 15, there are numerous title assets including different effects and templates. There is a separate template category for spring themed title animations, very beautifully made and will go perfectly with the background footage. Now I want to recommend some title templates which I actually used in the video. I searched for Spring Pack Opener 1, and this is the one that I used at the end with the outro message. Another title pack I would recommend is Spring Pack Titles. These are transparent titles, so you can use it on videos. This is the one I used for the intro text. So drag and drop it over the video. Resize the length and change the text color if needed to stand out from the background. Now for the next clip, I will use this stock media called True Spring Scenery Media. Depending on the message you want to share with the footages and the text, select the appropriate one and also select the title animation. I chose this one. I changed the text to "Life always finds a way to begin again." So that's a very beautiful message. This time, instead of changing the color of the text, I want to add some shadows. For the next footage, I want to show some sunlight, greenery and flowers. And I have the perfect one. Let's add the title animation, and this one looks perfect. So we skip to the outro, and this is the title pack I used, which I showed you before, Spring Pack Opener 1, and change the text, a fresh start, the perfect message to end the video. Now in the filters menu, there is also a category for spring themed filters which can add the feel and the look of spring in your footages. So click to preview and use them as needed. I want to recommend some filters. Search for fresh spring filter, and these filters can dramatically change your footages to give that vibe of spring. So drag and drop these filter effects to your footages to apply them. Now the video montage needs the perfect background music, so in the audio library we can search for spring themed music. After adding to the audio track, trim the music and add fade in and fade out effects. We will also add some transition effects, and I would recommend using dissolve transitions considering the speed and the theme of the music. So guys, this is how the video was made in the Wondershare Filmora 15. Now simply export it into your computer. So try creating such beautiful videos in the Wondershare Filmora 15. Check the description for the link. That's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.